here's a look at the market for Monday, October the 26th through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. We always like to take a look at the market profiles, and these market profiles include the overnight session as well as the day session. So this is the overnight session right here, the market profile and its corresponding volume profile. When we left yesterday, I had mentioned that should the market be able to hold below 72, we could have a 30 to 60 point run lower this week. So it was somewhat of a surprise to me that the market not went sideways overnight, but that it had a fairly nice rally early in the day, reaching up here to 88 and change. Obviously that didn't last long, and then the market had a very nice sell-off of some 25 points after that. And so we're still looking at the 72 areas being resistance, previously support, with the expectation that we will give a good test of today's low, which was down at 61.25. Will not be surprised if that's exceeded either overnight or tomorrow. It may pause here for a little bit, either overnight and maybe even all of tomorrow for that matter, before it has some further down movement. The other areas that we would look at is around the 69 area as resistance as well. So either in the 69 or 72. Possible support in this market down around 55 should it get that low. Taking a look here at, I'll block these profiles together, so some of them are mixed 2 or 3 days together and so forth. But what we're really looking at here is quite possibly a test down to the high volume that occurred back here a couple of weeks ago, and that's at 51. So 51 is an area, 55 is an area, and of course 72 and the 69 area. So and obviously we need to look at today's low. So these are really areas of potential support, potential support, as well as targets on these resistance areas above and the support areas below. Taking a look at our software here, we actually didn't have that many trades today. Unfortunately, we missed. Now these are just the system trades, of course. A lot of our traders will do even better than our system trades, of course, because they're able to be more flexible on their entries and in their management. But we came within just a tick, actually 2 ticks of getting long right here. We did get long over here. It did move in our favor a point and a quarter, and then we're stopped out of break even. We also just came within a tick of getting short just up in here when the market had sold off and bounced. And then it had this tremendous sell-off. So we weren't able to actually get short. We got short a couple of times in here. We got short right in here, which turned out to be a break even. Market bounced higher, and we got short just on the peak here. Some of them got filled here, and then it sold off in both of those cases. The one thing that would not show on our system trades, of course, is that this was in our gray filter, so it would not be considered as one of our trades. But that's all the action that we had today, and it's sometimes unfortunate that you either miss an entry by a tick or two, or the market just moves so quickly in one direction or the other that you really just you just don't have time to get on board. But that's really what we were looking at today, and we do expect more down movement with the 69 area likely acting as resistance and today's low as the immediate support, and then the other areas of support and resistance that I was just mentioning. So I really do feel though that the market has entered much more into a down phase right now, and whether or not we hit the 30 points below the 72 this week or 60 points, I mean, it might happen tomorrow, it might not happen this week, but those are at least the targets for right now in utilizing the downward bias that we now think is in control of the intraday or day-to-day auction. So any questions or comments, just send us an email, info@eMiniDayTrader.com, or look at our website at www.eMiniDayTrader.com for some more videos, and send us any questions or comments. We'd love to hear from you. So that'll be it for today, Monday the 26th of October, and we will see you tomorrow.